Here's the first Schindler 3500 lift at Westfield North Lakes. Cinema 1. The worst lift in the shopping centre. And probably the newest as well. Oh, at least I fixed the button panel. That part was broken off, yes, last time I came here. Here it is. No voice. LCD, of course. Graffiti, all scratched doors. That's very deep grooves as well, jeez. Loose panels. Actually, this one's not loose anymore, it was before. It levels really well at least. This button is still bashed in. Very, very slow doors as well. Wow, they're ridiculously slow. At least the motor sounds somewhat interesting going down. Nice buttons as well. Has a very, very quiet beep to it, the doors. Actually, it is still loose. That's the first one.